Welcome to Sound Health TV, a place where all your health needs, questions and worries are met. Here we bring you the surest and latest health tips as pertaining to your physical, emotional and spiritual health. In this video, we shall be talking about the health benefits of fasting, backed by science. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a new video. Please like this video and drop your comments below. The practice of fasting dates back centuries, and it plays a key role in many cultures and religions. Formerly, fasting was mostly observed by religious people, and record holds it that a great number of those who observed it only knew about the spiritual benefit it offers, not until scientists came to discover the numerous health benefits it could procure an individual as well. Due to those discoveries, more people now observe the practice because of the health benefit it offers in addition to the spiritual benefits. Different people understand the concept of fasting differently. For the most part, it is defined as the abstinence from all or some foods or drinks for a set period of time. But could that really be fasting? The ideal term for that is rather starvation or hunger strike. Fasting originally is a spiritual exercise aimed at mortifying the flesh of man. Man here is not limited to just men, women inclusive, and lifting his spirit. In other words, it is to enable man overcome lustful and sinful desires or habits, thereby making man sensitive to the Spirit of God. This was the original intention of fasting. So fasting is rather abstaining from anything that gives one pleasure or takes too much of one's time, distractions other than God. For instance, you could decide to abstain from food, drinks, social media, including the crowd, people, etc., for a set period of time for the purpose of enhancing spiritual sensitivity and connectivity. Whichever way you define fasting, that's okay. We're not here to debate on its definition, but rather to examine the health benefits it offers in addition to spiritual benefits. So here are 8 health benefits of fasting backed by science. 1. Fasting promotes longevity. Whether you believe it or not, the less you eat, the longer you will live. Multiple studies have shown how the lifespan of people in certain cultures increased due to their diets. Yes, studies reveal one of the primary effects of aging is a slower metabolism. The younger your body is, the faster and more efficient your metabolism. The less you eat, the less toll it takes on your digestive system. 2. Promotes better health by fighting inflammation. Although acute inflammation is a normal immune response which helps fight off infections, chronic inflammation can rather have serious consequences on your health. Research shows that inflammation may be involved in the development of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and rheumatoid arthritis. Research has found that fasting can help decrease levels of inflammation and consequently promote better health. A study conducted on adults who fasted at least 12 hours a day for 1 month showed that fasting for 1 month significantly decreased levels of inflammatory markers. Fasting is necessary. 3. Fasting is good for your heart health. At such a time when more people are dying from heart disease than any other disease, it is such a relief to know that you can reduce the risk of developing heart diseases through fasting. Just fasting. Fasting is very beneficial for your heart health. Remember, we said above that fasting can help lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The reason is people suffering from diabetes have an increased risk of suffering from cardiovascular disease. Experts say during fasting, the body also burns up some of the LSD cholesterol in the body to provide fuel. This is remarkable because LSD cholesterol is a major contributor to decreased insulin sensitivity in diabetes, and also that it contributes to increase in blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for developing heart disease. Fasting also helps reduce several other risk factors associated with an increased risk of developing heart diseases, including blood sugar levels, inflammatory markers, and blood triglycerides. Several studies have attested to these facts. 4. Fasting rejuvenates the skin and prevents acne. You probably have been trying cream after cream to make your skin look better. You might be surprised to learn that you can achieve the look you so want through fasting. Yes, you heard it correctly. First and foremost, fasting gives the body a break from the process of digestion, allowing the body to expend more energy on regulating and improving the function of other organs, such as the liver, the kidneys, and the skin. Fasting equally helps the body get rid of toxins that might be contributing to skin conditions. Fasting contributes to autophagy. When you fast, your body regenerates the cells that make up the skin and clean old cell materials from existing cells, thereby contributing to a better look. This regeneration can even contribute to faster healing of scars, according to experts. Like we earlier said, fasting also helps reduce inflammation, which is one of the culprits behind some skin conditions like acne. In addition to improving how your skin looks, fasting also contributes to healthy and strong hair and nails and whitening to your teeth. Is that not amazing? 5. Promotes detoxification. Another impressive benefit that fasting procures is that it promotes detoxification of the body. Many of the processed food we eat daily today contain lots and lots of additives, some of which are toxic to our bodies. As the food is digested and absorbed into the body, these toxins are also absorbed into the body and stored in fat deposits around the body. During fasting, your brain treats the nutritional deprivation as a threat and reacts by activating adaptive stress responses to help it deal with the threat. The brain also starts contemplating how it would provide the body with energy in the absence of food. To ensure that metabolism keeps running, the brain triggers the conversion of glycogen stored within the liver into energy. However, after about 12 hours, the glycogen deposits get depleted. At this point, the body must find an alternative source of energy, and it therefore turns to the fat stored within various parts of the body. As the fat deposits are burned to provide energy, the toxins stored within the fat are exposed. These toxins are then removed from the body with the help of the liver, kidneys, and other organs, leaving your body free from accumulated toxins. Isn't that wonderful? 6. Aids weight loss by limiting calories intake and boosting metabolism. Theoretically, abstaining from all or certain foods and beverages should decrease your overall calorie intake, which could result in increased weight loss over time. Many dieters have now rather picked up fasting to dieting, looking for a quicker and easier way to drop a few pounds. Some research equally found that short-term fasting may boost metabolism by increasing levels of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine, which could enhance weight loss. As a matter of fact, a review showed that whole-day fasting could reduce body weight by up to 9% and significantly decrease body fat by 12 to 24 weeks. Another review found that intermittent fasting, meaning over 3 to 12 weeks, was as effective in inducing weight loss as continuous calorie restriction and decreased body weight and fat mass by up to 8% and 16% respectively. In addition, fasting was found to be more effective than calorie restriction at increasing fat loss while simultaneously preserving muscle tissue. 7. Promotes blood sugar control by reducing insulin resistance. Several studies have found that fasting may improve blood sugar control, which could be especially useful for those at risk of diabetes. In fact, a study in 10 people with type 2 diabetes showed that fasting significantly decreased blood sugar levels, reason being that less is consumed, hence limiting calories intake. This could help keep your blood sugar steady, preventing spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. 8. Fasting contributes to self-enlightenment. Fasting has helped a lot of people feel more connected to God and to life, especially during the practices of reading, meditation, prayer, yoga, and martial arts, etc. during the fasting period. Several researchers came to the conclusion that it makes one feel better, both consciously and physically. You know, the digestive system is one of the most energy-absorbing systems in the body, and with no food in the digestive system, room is created for more energy in the body. Furthermore, with a lighter body as a result of fasting, we could become spiritually sensitive and get a clearer mind, which enables us to be more aware and grateful for the things around us. Fasting has even more health benefits, friends. Would have loved to mention more in this video, but not to worry, we mentioned most and essential ones. Like any other major lifestyle change, getting started with fasting might be a bit hard in the beginning, but it will become easier on your body with time. And for those who are already into fasting, please keep it up after having known its health benefits as well. Despite the long list of possible health benefits associated with fasting, please note that fasting may not be right for everyone. For instance, if you suffer from diabetes or low blood sugar, fasting can lead to spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, which could be dangerous. So it's best to talk to your doctor first if you have any underlying health condition and are planning to fast for more than 24 hours, else we plead not guilty. You equally need to know that medically, fasting is not generally recommended without medical supervision for older adults, adolescents, or people who are underweight. And that during fasting, you ought to stay well hydrated and fill your diet with nutrient-dense foods during your eating periods to maximize the potential health benefits. In addition, if you're fasting for longer periods, do well to minimize intense physical activity and get plenty of rest. Please make sure of this. And now we'll say time well spent. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this video educative. Drop your comments, thoughts, experiences, or questions etc. in the comment section below, and let's get a conversation started. Remember to please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe and ring the notification bell to always get notified when we upload a new video. You may also want to share this knowledge with 2 or more friends. Stay healthy, stay sound.